Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Flutter SDK and platform tools are installed, and a physical device or emulator is ready. Next, add the camera and permission handler packages in PubSpec. YAML and run Flutter pubget. Once done, import camera, request runtime camera permission, and call available cameras to get a list. Then instantiate a camera controller for the camera you want and set resolution preset. This gives you the live stream resource you will display and control in the UI. You now wire the preview into the widget tree. Initialize the camera controller inside init state and expose the result to a future builder so the UI waits safely. Then render camera preview, controller, wrapped in an aspect ratio to preserve sensor ratio, and layer controls using a stack for buttons. Implement a capture button that calls take picture. Add a toggle to switch lenses by reinitializing the controller with a different camera description, and provide flash mode control so users can change torch states in real time. To finish, persist photos by moving the X file. Path to a chosen folder, and on Android, notify Media Store so the image appears in Gallery apps. Make sure you handle lifecycle events. Dispose the camera controller and pause or resume it when the app loses or gains focus to avoid frozen camera streams. If something goes wrong, inspect camera exception. Code and error description, then safely dispose and reinitialize the controller. That pattern resolves most permission, resource, and device lock issues you will encounter.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.